11 General Order. GO number 1. To take charge of this post in all government purposes in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything in, the, in that place takes with sight and hearing. GO number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To report all calls from post more distance of the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post when only properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders of the commanding officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except the line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in case of fire or disorder. GO number 9. To call the commander of the reliefs in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officers of colors in standard not case. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging, and to challenge all person on or near my post, and to allow no one pass without proper authority.